Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XLE. This one's white. Underneath is a inline 4-cylinder with electric, pushing out 194 horsepower. For wheels, you got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Hybrid badging on the side. A gray and black cloth interior. Sunroof. RAV4 XLE Hybrid badging. Open up the liftgate. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Power windows. Steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, EV mode, ECO mode, and sport mode, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmission. This RAV4 has 33,554 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XLE, visit us at feldmannimports.com.